I will explain how you, as a manager, can use the ADKAR model to help your employees change and adopt new ways of working in these coronavirus times. It's a model with 5 building blocks, and it explains what is required for us individually to change behavior. And you can use that model to diagnose your employees on their change journey and find out what is required and what you can do to help them. So I will use a story from my own work life as an example to illustrate. The first building block is awareness of why change is needed, what is changing, and what is the risk if we don't change. My example, a few weeks ago we were planning to have a 2-day offsite for all staff in my company in Copenhagen. But the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic of course made that impossible. We could not travel, we could not gather that many people. But the meeting was important. So the management team explained why this meeting was important and that we would conduct it virtually via Microsoft Teams. Desire is about wanting to change. For this, people need to understand what is actually changing, how will this impact them, and then they will have to make a personal decision of wanting to change. In our situation, as I said, we decided to keep our meeting but to do it virtually. Many were disappointed. We had all looked forward to meeting up, to work together, and not at least to have some fun. We adopted the program to make it fit to a virtual session. We paid a lot of effort into how we could make it fun, and we also made sure that the program was designed in a way so everybody can contribute and also felt involved in all of the decisions being made. So knowledge is about making sure that people know how to work in the new environment. A day before the meeting, we sent out some small training videos on the technology that we were going to use. A couple of hours before the start, all received further instructions through the different channels that we had. Ability is going from knowing what to do and to be able to do something. In our situation, we started the session with testing the technologies in a fun way. So we did some fun polls, we did some group work, we gave feedback on the screen quality of each other, and in that way people could demonstrate ability early. Reinforcement is about making sure that a change sticks, so people don't revert back to the old way of working. In our situation, we have held 2 company-wide meetings since, using the same technologies, just to make sure that people can continue to work effectively with those technologies. The coronavirus will mean a lot of changes. Do not underestimate how hard it is to make a change.